Welcome. Today I am with Honor 8 and I will show you how you can apply tempered glass on your display. So you need for sure the tempered glass. I have this one. It's not exactly for that model, but it will fit like that. Not that bad, so I'm going to protect my screen with this tempered glass. And inside you will also find the two wipes. There's the wet and the dry. And sometimes in that box you can also find additional stickers to remove piece of the dust from your screen, but in this case I don't have it, so I'm going to use the dry wipe. So at the first one we are going to open the wet one, and unfortunately this wet wipe is not wet, it comes dry. So give me a minute, I'm going for the window cleaner. So if you have the same issue, just simply use something like window cleaner, apply it on your wipe, just like that a little bit, and then you can start with cleaning your display. So we can move in the circle, just like that. And as you can see right now, the display looks definitely better. You have to remember to reach a very corner and the very edge. Right now we can open the dry one, and right now do the same. And then put it on another side, make the few last moves, and then just take a look close on your display. If everything is fine and you cannot spot here any piece of the dust, you can grab your screen protector, remove this foil, this sticker, and it will come with the foil that is attached to our tempered glass from this side. So let's make it right now. As you can see, it comes very easy. And right now, let's keep holding the bottom part. Try to don't cover your speaker, and as I said before, it's not tempered glass for that exact model, but it will still protect our display, so that's the most important thing. Okay, right now when everything is fine, you can put the bottom part just like that and take a look. It goes almost automatically. And there it is. Right now we have to use the wipe to clean our tempered glass. Okay, and as you can see, it's done. So right now we can turn on our device and use it. As you can see, there is no any problem with the touch interaction, so you don't have to be afraid of applying tempered glass on your display. And that's how it looks. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course, subscribe to our channel.